say, you running on the road, so get out the way.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to scrape public websites using ChatGPT. This is a good workflow for any type of AI-driven development. I use ChatGPT to help write code, validate code, test code, and I think it does a pretty good job, and you'll see that here. So the website we're going to be scraping is active alcohol licenses from the state of Georgia. Um, we'd like to, maybe use this data for um, other use cases. So what we are going to do is we're going to have the scraper come onto this page, click this link, download this PDF, and inside the PDF, we're going to parse out this data into a Pandas data frame, upload it to Amazon as a Parquet file. So a very simple data pipeline task. I say simple because in another video, I'm going to show you a complex website where these links aren't readily available. And in fact, we need another more advanced tool like Selenium to enter dates in or fill in a form for us autonomously. All right, so this is the prompt I gave ChatGPT. So we're going to scrape this website. We're going to find all the PDF files and the HTML code, download the PDFs locally, parse them into a Pandas data frame, and then upload them to S3 as a Parquet file. I made some modifications to their code just for nomenclature purposes, and then I also thought uh, that there's kind of some of it could could be more robust, like finding the PDF links. We use a little bit of a different nomenclature for the hrefs. I found that this was a little bit more robust. Uh, cool. So this code, so ChatGPT wants to use Scrapy. I agree. Scrapy is a good web scraper. It has a lot of good functionality that comes with it, logging. It handles middleware, proxies. Um, yeah, it's a pretty complete web scraping package. So the first thing ChatGPT recommended was to create this class object, parse it, find the PDF links, and then parse it, meaning download those PDFs locally, uh, save them locally. Then for each of the PDFs that we download, what we need to use is PyPDF2. And what this is going to do is it's going to read it. It's a Python package that reads in a PDF document as text. So as you can see from here, we can't really do any type of sophistication on a PDF file because it's kind of like a static image. So what we need to do is we need to grab all this data out and put it into some sort of data frame that we can do interesting things on. Um, so that's why ChatGPT is using PyPDF2. Totally makes sense. So what it's doing is it's reading in the PDF, translating all that or grabbing all that text into a list or an array, and then having pandas and then putting that array into a pandas data frame. Why pandas data frame? Well, because it has a nice simple Parquet function where we can upload this to Amazon S3 using Parquet. All right, so let's run this. Let's run the script and see how it does. So here's our S3 bucket. I ran it a couple days or about a week ago, and it worked fine. So let's go ahead and run it again. Scrapy. Oh, one thing to note: you can't use Python CLI for running Scrappy spiders. Scrappy has its own CLI, so you can do Scrappy run spider, and then we're just going to give it the link to this Python script. So all license Scrappy Georgia. Cool. So, like I was saying earlier, Scrappy has these automatic logging in there, which is great. Here's the middleware that they're using. Okay, so what it's saying is we got a 200 response on this website, which is good. We downloaded the HTML content, and then we found the PDF. We're going to go ahead and save the PDF locally. So let's just verify that. So we go here. So we're looking at 4/1/2019, 4/1/2019. Good. And now this may take a second, but what it's doing now is it's using that PyPDF2 reader package and parsing out that PDF as a into a pandas data frame. And then what we should see is this item in the bucket getting updated. So we do have, let's just verify that this got uploaded. Yep, June 2nd. Oh, cool. Looks like it did a few. Very nice. And so that's how you can scrape a website with ChatGPT. Thanks.